How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. We have here the RAV4 first day, and I'm gonna already do the first mod to it, first installation. In this case, you guys know the stock headlights. They don't look really good. I really don't like them. The bottom ones, they're white, they look awesome, so I don't have to mess with them. If you notice, we have the light for the switchbacks, and I'm gonna put the lights. They came on my Subaru. I don't know if I should mess with the switchbacks, put the switchbacks on that ones. I might not, because you know you have to modify the cables and do stuff that I don't really feel comfortable doing it to a brand new car. But you guys know I'm crazy about LEDs, HIDs, so I'm gonna do the first mod. To this one, I'm gonna replace the headlights. If you know, we have projectors, and if you remember, on the fog lights, my Subaru used to have those LEDs, which is amazing, really good ones. Those are 9006, and these ones are regular. I believe these ones are 9012, which is the same as 9006. So I'm gonna see if I can just remove the bulbs and see if these ones fit. If they fit on it, boom, we're gonna have the first modification, which is gonna be obviously the lights. And I know it's gonna look amazing. So let me turn on the lights so you can see the regular ones, which is they look not really good. Boom, there you have it. But the bottom ones are really white and bright. I like them a lot. The headlights, they're just regular bulbs. So on this episode, I'm gonna change them. I wanna see, hopefully we don't have any problems and those fit. I believe they're gonna fit. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlights to LEDs on a 2018 RAV4. Okay guys, if we look here on the driver's side, you're going to see the connector. Just push on the top. Okay, just push on the bottom, remove the connector, twist the bulb, and if you can see on this one, hopefully you can see it, come on, focus, that's a 9012, and it's the same as 9006. So long as the connections are the same, we wanna see if it's the same, if it fits. We're gonna have brand new lights, guys, which is gonna be amazing. Wow, they fit right on it, guys. Amazing. So I'm gonna plug that one in, and you're gonna see the difference between the new LEDs and the regular. There you have it, guys. New LEDs. Now we have all white. Maybe I go later on 3000K on those, but for now they're really good. They're white, they're really bright. I love them. And you can see the LEDs. Amazing. Whew, you can see the difference between those and those. Wow. First modification, first day owning this vehicle, and we already changing the stuff. Why not? Those LEDs are amazing. I get this on Amazon. I did one giveaway not too long ago. I'm gonna do another giveaway really soon. And on the passenger side, that's the connector. Disconnect that, twist the bulb, and put the new ones in case that you need to replace them. So this works as a DIY too, in case that you wanna replace the bulbs. Obviously this is a brand new, but on the RAV4 pretty much is the same. And on these ones it's really convenient because you don't have to remove the headlight, you don't have to remove anything. Plugs are right there. You can see my other LED is already working, everything is fine. The only thing that I have to do next is just replace the other one and drive around. Look at the difference. LED, regular. LED, regular. So there you have it, guys. Really easy, really convenient on these RAV4s. Next thing, I might do something with the LEDs inside, but with this one, with this episode, we have what we want. So just let me replace the other one, and show you the end result. There you have it, guys. New LEDs are on. They look amazing. So if you have 9006, it's the same as this one. The regular one is 9012, or you can find it as H1R2 or 9006. So in here we have the old ones, which are new, but first day with the car, brand new one, and we already replacing stuff on it. Look at it, amazing. They look, I can't wait for to see them at night. But there you have it, guys. You have any questions, please comment down below. Had the new LEDs. Now the car doesn't look regular, it doesn't look normal, which regular headlights and bulbs, I really don't like them at all. I didn't want to go HID on this one just because you had to put ballast and you had to put wire harness if you want them to last. But in this case, we have the new lights, LEDs, simple, plug and play. The only thing that you need to do, and make sure when you do the connection, make sure that you connect the red with red, black with black. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.